Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to create mockups in Canva. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Canva, and then you're going to have to simply create your free account. Then simply click on the search bar and search for your mockup. So I'm going to go with iPhone mockups here, as you can see, and you have different templates. As you can see, some of them are free, some of them require to have the pro version of Canva. And what you're gonna have to do is simply open any of these and then simply click on customize this template. Of course, if you want, you can create a blank one. And as you can see here, I have my mockup. I can basically edit this, I can add images. So let's go here to elements. As you can see, I can add graphics if I want. So depending on your design and what you want to create, basically you can achieve with Canva. It's very easy to do. So as you can see here, you have different templates that you can use for free, some of them. And if you want, you can simply click on uploads, then simply click on upload file, and then simply drag it over. And then here you can basically edit your mockup. And after that, after you're done, you can basically click on share, and then you can basically download the mockup to your computer, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.